here to share my testimony of how God used IDP Education to help me actualize my goal of studying outside Nigeria, in the UK to be precise. Prior to this period of my application, I didn't have any plan of going through the study routes. So someone gave me their contacts and I contacted them. I think Mr. James did my first application on June 11. He applied to like 2 to 3 schools. Then by the next day, I got admission into University of Sunderland, UK. I think a month later, I got admission to University of Scotland, Manchester. It was a very swift journey. It was fast because by August, my visa was out. And it was a seamless one because IDP made it very seamless for me. I didn't have to struggle. They were understanding, they were patient, they were thorough at their job. But I will always commend them to